Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 18th, 2025, and we're diving into Aurora Cannabis's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Aurora Cannabis has just released their fiscal 2025 fourth quarter and full year results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record revenues to strategic shifts in their business model.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Aurora Cannabis reported a total net revenue of $90.5 million for Q4 2025, a 34% increase from the prior year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by a 48% increase in their global medical cannabis business, which contributed $67.8 million to the total revenue. This segment alone accounted for 75% of Aurora's consolidated net revenue. Additionally, their adjusted EBITDA saw a significant increase to $16.7 million, up 619% from the previous year, indicating strong operational efficiencies.
That's impressive. And what about their cash flow situation?
Aurora generated a positive free cash flow of $2.5 million, which is a substantial improvement from a negative cash flow position in the previous year. This reflects their strategic focus on cost management and operational efficiency.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Aurora's adjusted gross margin improved to 62% in Q4 2025. What factors contributed to this margin expansion?
The margin expansion is largely due to sustainable cost reductions, higher selling prices, and improved production efficiencies. Notably, their international revenue now represents 61% of their global medical cannabis revenue, which has higher margins compared to domestic sales.
Looking ahead, what can investors expect from Aurora in the coming quarters?
Aurora expects continued strong global cannabis revenue with a focus on maintaining positive adjusted EBITDA. They anticipate some temporary declines in international markets, but expect improvements in later quarters due to increased distribution and innovation.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts were forecasting an EPS of 11 cents for Aurora, based on a survey of 2 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
Aurora met the EPS expectations exactly, reporting an adjusted EPS of 11 cents. This alignment with forecasts suggests that the company is effectively managing market expectations and delivering on its financial commitments.
Meeting expectations is always a positive sign. Does this indicate stability in their financial performance?
Absolutely. Meeting EPS forecasts reflects Aurora's ability to execute its strategic plans effectively, which is crucial for maintaining investor confidence and supporting future growth initiatives.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Let's talk about the leadership's perspective. Aurora's CEO, Miguel Martin, mentioned the execution of their strategic plan. What insights did he provide?
Miguel Martin emphasized the record achievements in global medical net revenue and adjusted EBITDA as a testament to their strategic execution. He highlighted the importance of international expansion and the strengthening of their business model as key drivers for sustained and profitable growth.
It sounds like Aurora is positioning itself well for the future. What are their main strategic initiatives moving forward?
They are focusing on expanding their international footprint, particularly in high-margin markets, and continuing to optimize their operations for efficiency. This strategic focus is expected to support their long-term growth and profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Aurora Cannabis has delivered a strong performance in fiscal 2025 with record revenues and significant improvements in profitability. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Aurora's focus on high-margin international markets and operational efficiencies positions them well for future growth. Their strong balance sheet and positive cash flow are also encouraging signs for investors looking for stability and growth potential in the cannabis sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Aurora's performance in the comments below.